Let's go.
Welcome, y'all. It's PCF, Pathway Community Foundation. We just touched down in Rocky Mount, North Carolina. We brought our fellows from all over the country, come from Louisiana, Alabama, Tennessee, to work directly with the fire department, utilities, and water department to solve pressing problems. So we have a long day ahead of us, so stay tuned.
The problem that we have given them had to do with the lead service line inventory. At the end of it, I think they will provide us with a proper solution. Right? My name is Brenton Bent, and I am the Director for Water Resources with the City of Rocky Mount. So today we're hosting the students from the historical Black colleges and universities who we have engaged on this program with for them to help us with identifying a problem that is usually experienced with municipalities. And in this case, we have asked them to work with us on a lead service line inventory program. The purpose of that program is a federally required program for municipalities all over the country to be able to identify service lines that are on both the city's side and on the customer's side. As you can imagine, with a population of 58,000 people in Rocky Mount, about 26,000 account holders, we are looking at significant amount of data. And so the students were able to brainstorm this as a project to how do we manage that data? How do we communicate that data and report it to the governing bodies? A program like this will give the college students real-world experience opportunities to see what are some of the problems that are existing in government outside of academia.
My name is Tabo Ibrahim Traore. I am currently a sophomore majoring in computer science at the illustrious Alabama A&M University. So we're here today in Rocky Mount to do a site visit and help automate the detection of lead pipes and copper pipes as part of the initiative set up by the City of Rocky Mount itself in helping mitigate the use of lead pipes.
Today we're on the field with the field walkers, helping, basically they're giving us an overview of how the potholing process has been going on.
If I go about 6 inches, there could be a nipple there that can change over. That's why I go that push.
I have always listened to our Rocky Mount, our staff talk about the potholing process, but today I was able to experience it.
It was quite eye-opening, the amount of information that I can get from them. Getting all that data was a pretty interesting and eye-opening experience. I got to live out a day in the life of a civil engineer.
I was simply impressed with the intellectual ability and skill and talent that these students displayed. And we believe too that by adopting their suggestions, we could, from an economical standpoint, could save the city a significant amount of money.
My name is Darvin Moore. I'm the fire chief for the City of Rocky Mount. We are working with the students to help come up with a solution in reference to how to minimize as many cooking fires as we possibly can throughout the city.
At what times are people shopping for cooking stuff?
Right.
And that is to help the fire department to tailor their outreach programs. So if we know that, okay, maybe people are coming down the aisle and buy cooking stuff on a Monday around 12 noon, majority of people are coming at that time, maybe the fire department can go out at that time to do their outreach.
Yes. Mostly the interaction with them, they actually had the opportunity to see exactly what happens in the fire station and happens in the fire service. We were able to go by a few places that have been burned in the past. They was able to visit the fire station and see what the culture and atmosphere of fire service life is. Mostly probably interacting with them, just giving them a better understanding of what we actually do in the fire service. One of the good ideas they came up with is to expand our social media outlet. They come up with considering using TikTok as a way to put out fire safety tips to our public. Hello, my name is Darvin Moore. I'm the Fire Chief of Rocky Mount Fire Department. Here are 5 ways we can stay clear of cooking fires.
Stay in the kitchen while you're cooking. If you leave, turn off the stove.
Keep towels and wooden utensils away from burners at all times.
If a grease fire starts, don't use water. Cover it with a lid and turn off the heat.
Test your smoke alarms every month. Working an alarm saves lives. If you need help installing one, call Rocky Mountain and schedule an install.
Stay smart, stay safe.
Let's keep fires out of our homes together.
Their knowledge allows us to hit a different demographics of the young people.
Hi everyone, my name is Ashanti Stewart. I am a senior studying computer science at Lemoyne College in Memphis, Tennessee. I graduate in December 2025. Going around to the supermarket and the gas station, seeing how our solution can fit into the community, it definitely gave a clearer picture of how we can better scale our solution to fit the needs of the population.
When we're trying to shoot the video that's part of our solution, and 2 times in the middle of that, the firefighters had a call and they dropped everything that they're doing to go for the call.
And for me, that was like very recommendable because it's like their first priority is saving lives.
It was a kind of spark for me to work harder on the solution and ensure that it actually impacts people just as much as the firefighters strive to impact people every day.
So we want to say thank you to the city of Rocky Mount for having us. It was a phenomenal day. Fellows had a chance to do Q&A sessions, site visits where they got some hands-on experience. I want to say thank you to Kiana Walton, Councilmember Jabarius Walker, and Mayor Sandy Roberson just for hosting us and bringing our fellows to the beautiful city of Rocky Mount. We're excited for their solutions. Their feedback will be very instrumental in their final solution as we head towards our grand finale event. It was a wonderful day. Our fellows are leaving excited, energized, and ready to continue building their solution for the city of Rocky Mount.